Hello my dear academia friends, all the participants on this national webinar. We are ready to open this national webinar on COVID pandemic, nutrition, socio-economic and sustainable living. Respected Honorable Chairperson of Manipur State Commission for Women, Professor Dr. M. Binota, and respected Professor S. Mangi, former Director, Center for Manipur Studies and the Head Department of Political Science, Manipur University, and the respected guest of honor and the keynote speaker, Professor Jyoti Raj Pathak, Head Department of Political Science, Bodoland University, and respected guest of honor of this inaugural function, Dr. W. Kunjarani Chanu, Director, Women's Studies Center, School of Women College, and all the respected resource persons, paper reader and the participants. To begin with this national webinar, may I now invite Dr. W. Kunjarani Chanu, Director, Women's Studies Center, to give welcome address. Madam, please.
Good morning to everybody. Most welcome to this national webinar of the School of Women's College, Nambon, Manipur. This morning, the 14th August 2020, Honorable Chief Guest, respected President, and all the participants. First of all, I, on behalf of the organizing committee of this national webinar on COVID pandemic, nutrition, socio-economic and sustainable living, being organized by the Women's Studies Center of School of Women's College, Nambon, Manipur, and on my own behalf, take this opportunity to extend my warm and heartiest welcome to the Honorable Chief Guest of this inaugural function, Professor Dr. M. Binota, Chairperson, Manipur State Commission for Women. I would also offer my heartiest welcome to Professor S. Mangi Singh, former Director, Center for Manipur Studies, Head Department of Political Science of Manipur University, who has also spared this morning with us to preside over the inaugural function. I am also glad to welcome Professor Jyoti Raj Pathak, Head Department of Political Science, Bodoland University of Assam, who have readily offered his valuable and meaningful presence in the inaugural function as guest of honor and keynote speaker. I also extend my heartiest welcome to Program Coordinator and Moderator L. Mohindro Maitai, PhD, Project Coordinator, UGC STRI, Component 1, SK Women College, and Head of Department, Human Rights. I again extend my words of warm and heartiest welcome to all the respected resource persons and on the participants of this webinar who are all present here in this occasion. Lastly, I do extend my heartiest welcome to all the participants.
A very good morning. At the very outset, welcome to this inaugural of national webinar on COVID pandemic, nutrition, socio-economic and sustainable living. Honorable Chief Guest, Professor Dr. M. Binota, Chairperson, Manipur State Commission for Women, and the respected President of this inaugural session, Professor S. Mangi Singh, former Director, Center for Manipur Studies, Head Department of Political Science, Manipur University, and the respected guest of honor, Professor Jyoti Raj Pathak, Head Department of Political Science, Bodoland University, who is the keynote speaker of this national webinar, and the respected guest of honor, Dr. W. Kunjarani Chanu, Director, Women's Studies Center, School of Women's College, and Head Department of Philosophy, and all the resource persons and participants. With the advice of the University Grants Commission, Women's Studies Section, New Delhi, The college has been organizing different programs under the Women's Study Center in relating to COVID pandemic, of which this webinar is also a part of this program. In this national webinar on COVID pandemic, nutrition, socioeconomic and sustainable living has three sub-themes: nutrition, health and hygiene, environment and sustainable living, socioeconomic issues related to women. Altogether, 11 papers will be presented on this webinar. In the first theme, 5 papers will be presented, of which 3 papers are invited. And in the second theme, only 3 papers, including 1 invited papers, will be presented. In the last third theme, 1 invited paper and another 2 papers will be presented. We all know that eating a healthy diet is very important during the COVID-19 pandemic. What we eat and drink can affect our body's ability to prevent, fight and recover from infections. Good nutrition is always important, but during this pandemic, it is even more important because a well-balanced diet of nutrition foods help support a strong immune system. Eat plenty of fruits and vegetables which are rich in vitamins and minerals as well as fiber. Frozen or canned fruits and vegetables also contain vitamins and minerals. Although the processing of these products sometimes adds ingredients such as sugar, salt, or preservatives. Effective responses and recovery plans will therefore need to take into account the pandemic's multiple dimensions as well as its deep roots in environmental stress and global mobility. The recovery process serves as critical occasion to materialize much needed transformative change towards sustainable society. Some solutions will be needed in the immediate future, while others will be important over the longer term. The emerging ideas for managing nature post-COVID-19 take us towards sustainable living plus with safe living, getting high priority in the core objectives of our development initiatives along with safe future. For the purpose of keeping focus on safe living, leading to health security for the people, the principles of sustainable development needs to be strengthened adequately even by adding new management parameters. While we are facing the pandemic, a new thinking emerges to manage nature and its resources. So far, our policy response to the COVID-19 outbreak has been based on principles of safe living, with precedence on the health and the well-being of people. Safe living has been accorded with high priority along with the principle of sustainable development for a safe future. Due to the highly contagious nature of the disease, people have been left with no option but to stay at home and take multiple precautions at the personal level. From disinfecting every single material brought for daily consumptions to avoiding social interactions, the situation has been quite stressful. We are facing an extraordinary tough situation that has compelled us to think how to manage nature and its resources differently to avoid this pandemic. At a time like this, it is imperative to revisit the established principle of sustainability. In a very flexible way of participation, all the participants can get the benefit of this webinar in a very simple way that they can watch the presentations at any time from 11 a.m. onwards on the given link of YouTube and can interact on WhatsApp group without any mode of virtual platform like Zoom or other else very easily. You can participate this webinar. Thank you.